value your customers. We're Ford Imprint, and we know your logo on the robot can create moments that matter. With 30 years of experience and
Oh.
thousands of product issues, we guarantee your order will be right the first time, honest, and personal. Incredible notes to write.
Hi, extremely aggressive cat. Can fly. Oh, I don't think I can. Let me pick you up. Okay, I guess that's a no. Okay. Oh, this is the same kitten from the last video of this. This big old doggo up here scared the kitten away. Big old doggo apparently wants to be let out. This cat has given me various injuries. Just saying. He doesn't like immediately attack me when I go to pet him. Usually anyway. But I mean, like, this cat is, when you anger him, he will like destroy you. I have like a scar from a cat scratch from him. You ain't getting no food. Well, there he goes. Going up there to hang out on the freaking railing of the stairs.
Oh, yeah.
As always. He literally is always up there. When he's up here, we usually just need to leave him alone because he usually attacks most of the time when he's up here.
Quiet time up here.
Yeah, he just always attacks. He's super aggressive when he's up there. Oh, hi, cat. Other kitten. Oh, the kitten's gonna take a shower, apparently. Man. Great. Good idea, kitten. Go attack a cat that's much bigger and stronger than you. Yeah, Chance, that's a good idea. Oh, come on, I couldn't hit play.
Yeah, Jane's up there feeding the chickens.
Where are the chickens?
Up in the garden.
Oh. I want to see them.
Well, there's... Get your shoes on and go up and look at the fence.
Okie dokie. Freaking shoe, cooperate with me, please. Ghostbusters. This is a very dark and ominous place. I like it. Ah. Classy. Man, it is really bright out. Chickens. Hi. Oh yeah, there's also goats. Somewhere. Oh wait, never mind, they got rid of them. These are really steep stairs. There's a ferret back down there. Somewhere. There he is! He is sleeping. Wake up, sleepyhead. There's the boy! And we should probably keep the flash on for this guy. It's in such a dim area. There we go, that's... no. There we go, okay. Here he is. He's my favorite. Oh, hi, kitten. Are you not gonna kill me?
This is not your ordinary cleanser.
It was all weird when he licks you because cats' tongues have like sandpaper.
For a non-abrasive deep
Oh, there he goes.
using the power
Still doesn't want to be lifted.
vibration. When you put it on your face, it just feels like it's kissing your face. Effortless
There we go.
lift and remove.
Oops.
Oily makeup for the
Here we are. Keaton.
skin. So gentle, it's
He likes to torture the ferret.
my skin is more radiant. I feel a
I think the ferret's like scared of him.
my makeup isn't
It's all like, ah!
now apply your favorite sealants or creams and switch to the massage setting for even deeper penetration to help stimulate circulation, brighten your complexion, and help promote collagen production. My skin just looks so glowy and it looks so young and healthy. Gentle and deep cleanse. Gentle and deep massage. 4 rejuvenating settings in one ultra hygienic facial cleanser and massage.
Long.
No replacement heads, no bristles, no bacteria, just soft silicone fingers, gentle and non-abrasive, and it's rechargeable and ready when you are.
Last time we saw this guy, he was legit just a little kitten.
And massage your face, all in the comfort of your own home.
There he goes.
Feels like you're giving your cleanse.com for
Hi! Hi!
call 1-800-478-7090.
My special boy!
Your shipping is
Yogi!
this clean I've ever found. Flawless cleanse,
Sniff your hand
like never before.
all the time. He'll lick it if you had... He'll only lick it if you have food residue on you. But if you do, or if he just really likes you, then he'll, like, lick you.
We'll make the medical supplies and protective equipment that our country needs. We'll make them here in America. Like a national mandate.
Now it's time to wait until the rest of the dogs get back. You know what, actually, you already saw Marley and Tiny. I don't want to keep rolling for so much longer. So I think I'll just end this video at the 10-minute mark. This has been my Nana's Animals. The end.